Today, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on your laptop in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or another browser that's already installed, this guide will help you download and set up Chrome quickly and safely. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open the browser that's already on your laptop. This could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you normally use. You need an internet browser to search for the official Chrome download page, so just launch one of those first. Once your browser is open, click into the search bar and type Google Chrome download. Then press enter. You'll see a list of results, but what you want to do is find the official Google Chrome download page. Be careful here and make sure you choose the real Google website so you can download Chrome safely. After that, click on the official download page for Google Chrome. This is the trusted source for getting the installer, and it's the best way to make sure you're downloading the correct version for your laptop. On the Chrome download page, look for the button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click it. At this point, the Chrome installer file will begin downloading to your laptop. Depending on your browser and internet speed, it may take just a few moments. When the download finishes, open your downloads area or check the bottom of your browser window if the file appears there. Then click on the .exe file you just downloaded. This is the Chrome installer, and opening it will start the installation process. Once you click the installer, your laptop should begin setting up Google Chrome automatically. In many cases, you may see a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. If that appears, just allow it so the installation can continue. After that, Chrome will finish installing on your laptop. When the setup is complete, you can open Google Chrome and start using it right away. And that's it. You've now installed Google Chrome on your laptop. It's a quick process, and once it's done, you'll have access to one of the fastest and most popular web browsers available. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.